Hey, what's going on? You guys want to make some money fast in 2018 online? Well, you're in the right spot. I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. Excuse me. Um, I'm going to get straight to the point, guys. It's hard to make money online when you're a beginner, but once you learn how to start really, figuring out the ways and getting the right resources and everything, guys, you can make money fairly quickly. Um, I want to introduce you guys to Money Matrix. Money Matrix is a platform that I built to help you build a residual income. Once you're on the inside, this is a dummy account. By the way, I am the admin over here, but I logged into a dummy account for testing purposes. But once you become a member to Money Matrix, guys, you're going to get access to a whole lot. Once you come over here to the vault, after you become a member, you will get access to over 100 digital marketing products with resale rights, guys. All over here with resale rights. Okay? So you guys can actually make money by learning each one of these products or these methods and making money through there, like 300 CPA every day, $500 CPA every day, CPA coffee shop method. There's so many methods over here, guys, but then I give you my main method. Once you log in, you come over to the user panel and go through all this section over here, the user guide, introduction, keyword research, Facebook training, YouTube training, email list building. Basically right here, I'm showing you how to promote the Money Matrix, guys. Once you become a member to the Money Matrix, you will have access to your back office. You get paid for everybody you come in, that you get to come in, that you refer. Okay, guys? So basically, you can offer everything that's in the Money Matrix to your viewers. Okay? It's that simple. It's that simple, guys. It's only $7.95 to join the Money Matrix. $7.95, and you get access to a ton of stuff, guys. Your back office where you can track referrals, your downline. You can see everybody in your downline. Like I said, this is a dummy account just for testing purposes. But you can click, once you get more people in your downline, you get 95% of everybody you bring in your downline, guys. And there's three packages. There's the yearly, the monthly member package, the yearly plan, and then there's the gold member, which you pay a one-time fee, and you don't have to pay any monthly fees or anything, and you get access, lifetime access, guys. Okay, so you get all the commission off of that, 95%. Once you bring in a certain amount of referrals, then you bump up to entrepreneur status, and you get to keep 100% of your referrals, guys. Okay, so you can track the traffic to your links, guys. You get your links over here, your banners. You can start campaigns, everything, guys, and you get paid daily through PayPal, guys. So you need a PayPal account when you do join up, so you can get paid for when you start bringing in referrals. You can get paid for everybody you bring in, guys. And this is building a residual income that you will get monthly for every person that you refer to the Money Matrix. You're going to get a monthly fee off of that person. Okay, guys. The Money Matrix is loaded with tons of stuff, guys. Like I said, you get access to the vault. I give you just a lot of tools and resources, guys. Like when you come over, and I'm gonna teach you how to build an email list, a highly targeted email list fast. I'm talking about like 200 subscribers a day, guys. So you're gonna build up an email list real quickly. You're gonna be blasting out emails and basically posting ads, guys. Your own ads, your own links. That's all you have to do. If you got 2 hours a day, you can do this and start earning a living online, guys. Um, but like I said before, there's a lot of goodies when you join the Money Matrix. Like I'm going to add you to subscribe, which I want you to watch the subscribe video on this page below. If you're watching this on YouTube, then you need to go click on the link in the description, and it'll take you right there, okay, to the page where subscribe will be at, so you can actually see what you're getting. This is a badass app, guys, that I recommend for every marketer. This app costs me a lot of money, but I have the agency rights to it. So once you join Money Matrix, you will also have the agency rights, which you can actually add other people to this app as well. Okay. Also with the Money Matrix, guys, you guys get my backlinking service. That means once you become a member to Money Matrix, you can submit any link to me and I will get you 160 to 200 social backlinks, real backlinks, guys, from the top 200 social media sites. And these will be drip fed. Plus, I will send you the reports on all the links, plus the login details to the links. Okay, you guys can submit as many links as you want, guys. I use this linking service on one of my main websites. That makes me a lot of money. Once you become a member to the Money Matrix, I'm also going to give you the niche that I am in. To one of my websites and give you actually the suppliers and everything, because it's real low competition, guys, and I'm ranking real well on Google for this, and it's real low competition. So you're also going to get the detail on that. You can check out the About Me page over here. I have some proof of income that I show of just the money that I make online, guys. But what I'm doing here with Money Matrix is I want to be able to help you guys make money online real fast, and not have to go through all the scams and the struggles that I had to when I first started internet marketing, which was about 4 or 5 years ago. Okay, guys, and it took me a while before I actually made my first, $45 online. But once I started making money online and I started finding better ways, um, you know, I kind of just took off from there, and I'm doing pretty good for myself right now, and I want to show you guys how to get there without having to go through all the struggles, guys. Okay, so like I said, once you join the Money Matrix, you're going to have lifetime friendship with me. You're going to have access to any and all tools that I come across to make money online. Okay, guys. But like I said, you can start making money today once you sign up and just start getting your Money Matrix link out there. And that's not, like I said, guys, it's not including everything that's also over here. All the training that I have for you right here in this section. But then when you go to the vault, guys, like all this stuff over here are good methods, guys, that I've tested out. Now, if you go through here and I recommend you guys actually learning. I know it looks like a lot, which it is, but I recommend you guys learning at least some of this stuff that's in the vault, guys, because you're going to learn all types of stuff, and you got access to so many tools, guys. You cannot help but to make money, okay, with the Money Matrix and with everything that I'm providing you, okay, guys. Now, also Money Matrix is also just a community as well, guys. You guys can come over here. You can build your, you can create groups and keep your groups private for all the people that are in your downline. So if you come up with different types of methods and you can offer certain types of things to the people that are in your downline just by adding them to your group. Okay, guys, you guys can come here. You can upload your avatars. You can, you can chat. You can message users. It's kind of like a little like Facebook right here, guys. You can post every day. You can post. You can add your mood, your location, all type of stuff, guys. Check out members, groups. Even over here on the home page, there is a global live chat box right down here where you guys can chat live with anybody that's online, at the moment. Okay. Also, you guys, Money Matrix is built on a point-based system, okay, which means that you guys are allowed to submit articles and videos, your YouTube videos, okay? And what this does is other users can share, like, view, your videos, your content, which they will receive points for, which in exchange, you can come over here to social signals, and once you submit your link, you're going to have to use your points that you earn, and you submit the link, then you're going to get your social signals, and this is going to be from real people, which is going to make your links and your whatever you're trying to promote skyrocket in the rankings, because it's all natural, guys. Okay, and Google loves natural, and I'm all about natural, and I want everything to be real over here at Money Matrix. So it's gonna be it's great over here, guys. I already got people trickling in. I want to see you over here if you want to learn how to make money online in 2018, fast, easy, without the hassles, without the scams That's what Money Matrix is about, guys. I do a lot of reviews over here. I do a lot of product reviews over here. And these are real honest reviews, okay? And, you know, if you have reviews on certain different type of products as a member, I suggest you go ahead and post it to the website so other people can view it. And like I said, I'm always getting links, high quality links back to Money Matrix, guys. So you just uploading your videos and stuff through here is going to be, you know, get indexed and eventually could be in the search engine rankings. Okay, guys. So you get a ton of stuff over here with Money Matrix. Like I said, you get your back office over here. You can earn points. You can keep track of your points, guys. You can submit articles, submit videos. Like I said, you got all the training over here, the user guide. As soon as you sign up, go check out the user guide so you can actually learn how to use the Money Matrix. And then, you know, get to your back office, grab your links, generate your links, and start pumping them out there, guys. And watch the step-by-step tutorials and all the training. And I guarantee you will be making money. And if you don't believe that I make money online, like I said, go ahead and check the About page over here. I have a video over here of showing proof of the online income that I make, okay? And that's not counting Money Matrix, okay, guys? Because once you guys, like I said, you guys come in, you're at a 95% commission base. So, you know, I'm not making that much off of you guys. But once you start bringing your referrals in, eventually that cuts off and I don't make anything off of you guys, okay? So what I'm doing here is giving you the platform, giving you a business right here in the cloud, on the internet. You know, as long as you got a computer, you can access it and basically just get your links out there, guys. And you can always, like I said, you can keep track of your money and everything, okay? Yeah, right here, guys. If you guys come to the About page, check out some of the proof of the earnings that I make. This is off of one website, guys, that I did last year. $174,000 in sale off of one niche website. Okay, guys? Just come over here and check out the video. It'll show you more. But like I was saying about the office too, you can keep track of your payments over here, guys. So you can just go right over here to payments and you can see up here at the top how many referrals you got, how much your earnings you done got. Okay. You can keep track of your payments, everything over here, guys. So yeah, check out the rest of the videos on the bottom of this page. If you're on YouTube, click the link in the description. Like, subscribe. Always come check me out here at Money Matrix. Let's get this money. Y'all have a great day.